If you want to turn a blank wall into a big-screen entertainment setup without installing a huge television, the HP MC475 is a compact projector worth considering. It combines native 1080p Full HD resolution with 4K support, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, autofocus, and short-throw projection in a portable design. One of the biggest advantages is portability. The MC475 can be moved from your bedroom to the living room or taken outside for a movie night. You don't need a complicated permanent installation, making it useful for people who want flexibility. The projector delivers native 1080p Full HD resolution, giving movies, shows, videos, photos, and presentations a sharper and more detailed appearance than lower-resolution projectors. It also supports 4K content, although the projector's native output remains 1080p. Wireless connectivity adds convenience to the setup. Wi-Fi provides wireless functionality, while Bluetooth lets you connect compatible speakers or headphones without needing an additional audio cable. This can be especially useful when you're creating a simple, uncluttered entertainment setup. Autofocus is another practical feature. Moving a projector often means adjusting the focus again, which can quickly become annoying. The autofocus system is designed to make this process easier, helping you get a sharp image without spending as much time on manual adjustments. The short-throw design is also helpful when space is limited. You don't necessarily need to position the projector a long distance from the wall to create a large image. That makes the MC475 suitable for smaller bedrooms, apartments, offices, and compact home theater spaces. Its versatility is another reason to consider it. You can use the projector for movies, streaming content, gaming, presentations, photos, and casual entertainment. Because it's portable, you can change the setup depending on what you're doing. There is one important thing to remember with any projector: lighting conditions matter. A darker room will generally produce a better viewing experience than a brightly lit environment. If you need a display that stays bright throughout the day, a television may still be the more practical choice. But if portability and screen size are your priorities, the HP MC475 brings together a strong selection of useful features. Native 1080p resolution, 4K support, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, autofocus, and short-throw projection make it adaptable to different environments. Overall, the MC475 is designed for people who want a flexible way to enjoy a larger screen without committing to a permanent setup. Whether it's movie night, gaming, presentations, or outdoor entertainment, this compact projector gives you plenty of possibilities. If you want to check out the HP MC475 official licensed app native 1080p Full HD mini projector, visit the link provided in the description.